Mini Pupper, inspired by Stanford Pupper, is the first open-source robot dog that supports ROS navigation, SLAM, and OpenCV AI functions. As the vendor of Stanford Pupper, and we've learned a lot of lessons about how to make a robot and what functions our customers desire. Mini Pupper can use a single camera sensor to detect objects. It also supports OpenCV's official 3D camera module. You can make lots of interesting projects. Mini Pupper can map its environment and learn in real time from things around using its LiDAR and camera sensor. With the map, Mini Pupper can answer, "Where am I? Where am I going?" You can call it self-driving technology. Mini Pupper can make robotics easier for makers, hackers, schools, homeschool families, enthusiasts, and beyond. Not limited to hopping, trotting, and running around, but can also do something different. It has everything you need to actually accomplish your mission. You will receive not only Mini Pupper hardware kit, but also additional high-quality services. It will be very convenient and helpful to let you make your own robot dog. Under the hood, Mini Pupper is based on Raspberry Pi, which means it's super expandable. We want the hackers and the makers and the students out there to take it and make the coolest projects out there. You can explore fun behaviors like jump rope and push-ups, or DIY your own use case as you want. We didn't settle for the cheapest option, we chose the right option. We wanted it to have personality and be approachable and draw people in. The servo motor is the key component to a robot dog. We've designed our own high-torque servos, which allows it to be fast and stable. Mini Pupper is built for you guys. This is the open source ROS OpenCV robot dog platform you've been waiting for. Please back our project and lay the foundation for your robot dog platform right now.